Hello students, my name is Dev Pandya. As you all know that nowadays we are going through this COVID-19 crisis, so because of this everybody should stay home and be safe with your family. So today standard 8 English grammar chapter number 6 conditionals. Now I'm going through the examples, some of the examples and definitions of this chapter. So after that you have to complete all the exercises in your notebook. So conditionals, a condition is something that has to be fulfilled before something happens or take place. For example, if the rain stops, we will play. This is a conditional sentence for one of the clauses. If the rain stops, lays down. The condition for the action expressed in the second clause, we will play. In conditional sentence has two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. In the above sentences, if the rain stops is the if clause and we will play is the main clause. Conditional sentences are of four types. Each type contains a different pair of tenses. The tense pattern in these sentences should be carefully learned. Now, the first one, conditionals to describe general truths and sacrifice facts. For example, if we love others, others love us. So that is general truth. After that, we have the probable, like likely, conditional, type 1. Conditional sentences of this type are used to describe conditions which may or may not be fulfilled. Now, in this, we will dismiss him if he treats the customers rudely. Moving to the next page. For example, my father bought a camera for me. The teacher is depending on us. So, in this both sentences, the first one is the object of the preposition for, second one object of the preposition on. After that we have possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So in this what we have in the possessive pronouns such as my, our, your, his, her, they, their are used before nouns. They do the work of adjectives. As a result, they are classed as possessive adjectives. Now, for example, his horse is black. Now, that is his is possessive adjective. In the next sentence, the black horse is his. Now, in this, his is also possessive pronoun. Now, after that, what we have use of the pronoun it. The pronoun it is used to talk about things and animals. Example, my aunt presented me with a watch. It was made in Japan. Now, after that, we have demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns is used to point out the object or objects to which it refers. For example, this is my friend's bungalow. These are letters from different people. Moving to the next page. On the next page, we have impossible conditional type 3. Now, in a type 3 conditional sentence, the verb in the if clause is in the past perfect tense. The verb in the main clause is the perfect conditional. The time is past and the condition cannot be fulfilled because the action in the if clause didn't happen. Both these sentences refer to the past time. Like action is expressed in the if clause did not happen, and since the time is already over, it cannot happen now. It means that it is not possible to fulfill the condition expressed in the if clause. And that is why we describe such sentence as impossible conditionals. Now at the last, fact file and summary. A condition is something that has to be fulfilled before something else can happen or take place. A conditional sentence has two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. Conditional sentences are of four types. Each type contains different pair of tenses, type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. Thank you.